This 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by Next Step Auto Sales LC, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, 5.7-liter engine, and has 89,691 miles. Adventure awaits! Grab this rugged 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, your perfect companion for every journey. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.